Dave, are you hungry? Say yeah!
Are fucking helping. You did it. You're helping. You're gonna pick this up one little kernel at a time. And you're gonna like it because I'm fucking fed up with your bullshit. I'm gonna be a horrible father one day because of you fucks.
So dogs apparently don't like this sound.
What? What the fuck?
His face.
Holy Jesus. What is that? Good job. Good job. Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
Hey. It's okay.
The fuck you say to me, you little shit?
Are you with me, Lions? The choice is yours.
So what do you guys do for fun around here? I don't know, sometimes we throw shit at Kevin. Who's Kevin? Kevin!
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows, you dumb whore. Huh?